The initial impact when we were awarded that, it was without question the nicest award that we have ever received, ever. We walked around all the way through the shop and showed it to each employee, you know, each team member, because without that team concept and everybody working together to achieve the same goal, you're not going to accomplish that goal, right? So it was a huge deal for us. And I will tell you that, particularly on the Facebook page, that got the most responses of anything I've put on the Facebook page in legitimately the last 5 years. It was absolutely, I heard from people that we hadn't heard from forever. I mean, it was unbelievable. The response was just amazing. Our business is one of those businesses where one bad apple, right? And everybody thinks, oh, I gotta take it to the mechanic, you know, he's gonna take advantage of me, blah, blah, blah. So once again, you know, if I can fall back on, hey look, BBB thinks we're okay. You know, they think we're doing a pretty good job. We've got an A+ rating there and have had forever. I think you have to prove yourself every day, man. I don't think it's a one-shot deal, you know, and whatever you can do, or whoever you can associate yourself with, like BBB, it is a feather in your hat, you know, because again, I think that's the bar. They set the bar for what's acceptable and what's not. The Torch Award just authenticates the fact that, well, these, you know, again, they're doing a lot of stuff right. They're not perfect, they're still human, but they're doing a lot of stuff right. And I know if something does go wrong, they're going to step up and take care of it. And I think the Torch Award says that.